So, folks, welcome once again. If this is your first time joining us, wherever you join from, want to say you're highly welcome to this wonderful encounter.
My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am a partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here.
We started that the volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
The closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the physical quantity is referred to as what?
If I may have said your position.
Accuracy.
Accuracy is correct for 10 points.
So we give Thomas some time to please share. Thomas, are you sharing the video? Mr. Tabe, are you sharing the video? Okay. So we give Thomas some time to share the video. However, I would like to say welcome to the round of 12. Welcome to the round of 12. I'm going to say that both schools here in studio, this is going to be a very important game. Important game in terms of winning to move to the next level. C. Martin is trying to get to the General Quiz Bowl. Jimmy Jolocon is trying to get to the General Quiz Bowl. Jimmy Jolocon has not qualified yet. Our standard, and C. Martin has not qualified yet. And both of you guys are good math students. Both of you guys, or all of you guys, are some of the finest specimens of math students we have in the country. So welcome, and I'd like to take this time to go to Jimmy Jolocon to give us 30 seconds of introduction. Jimmy Jolocon, 30 seconds.
Representing the Jimmy Jolocon High School, formerly as the Cobra, I am student accuracy Vanny. Because of my pain, people call me the support. But because I dedicate this mathematics board to my mother Orita, I would prefer to be called the mathematical Orita, of course.
All right. The mathematical Orita is a student from Jimmy Jolocon. Jimmy Jolocon comes from Montserrado County. And the next school that we're going to move over to, swing our pendulum to for introduction, is the St. Martin Catholic School. St. Martin Catholic School hails from Bong County. And St. Martin, in terms of mathematics, has one of the finest mathematics programs in the country. How do we know that? Since the year 2020, St. Martin has always put up good students from the like of Victor Hall until now, the student who is about to introduce himself, or both students that are there. St. Martin Catholic, you have 60 seconds to give us your introduction.
Okay. Thank you, Benjamin, for the privilege given to us to introduce our team. In studio today, I brought with me this scholar.
Okay, I'm student Antukoma representing the St. Martin's Catholic High School. And for the benefit of today's match, I remain constant.
Jackson, Toxic, Manufactured, Jolocon, and for today's match, I remain to the VS weapon. Of course.
Thank you. So let's move on to the general rules we have here today. Just a repeat of it. You already played a round of 24. You know about that. And the rules are simple. Every question was designed or constructed to be solved within a minute. However, you can take 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds to answer a question. 3, when you decide to answer a question, you do not have a minute to answer. You have 10 seconds to answer. When you decide to answer, you do not have a minute. You have only 10 seconds. And then finally, as you know, you have to satisfactorily prove every answer question. Is that clear? Martin, not clear? Martin, am I clear?
Yeah, Virgin.
Jimmy Jolocon, am I clear?
Yeah, Virgin.
Thomas Sabe, over to you. Thomas Sabe. All right. Thomas Sabe, over to you. I'm not hearing you, Thomas. All right. So Jimmy Jolocon, what is your boosting point? Thomas, I'm not hearing you. It's your audio. J. See, Martin, what is your boosting point?
S or Martin.
S or Martin. And this is how we go into question number 1. This is how we go into question number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, our principals and school administrators out there, to the students throughout the length and breadth of the nation, Liberia, to all academicians and supporters and stakeholders of education globally, welcome to the first game of the round of 12. Welcome to the first game of the round of 12. Thomas, can you say a word? Thomas, stop it. Can you hear me now? No, if you're speaking, we're not hearing you. Can you please change your device or local way to fix it, please? The question is going to be number 1. The question is going to be number 1. A plane flies from Monrovia to Harper at a distance of 1,600 miles. I come again. A plane flies from Monrovia to Harper, and the distance between Monrovia to Harper, the total distance is 1,600 miles. I reread the question. A plane flies from Monrovia to Harper, a distance of 1,600 miles at 400 miles per hour. At 400 miles per hour. At 400 miles per hour. Returning to Monrovia from Harper. Returning to Monrovia from Harper, the plane flies into some wind and fly at 320 miles per hour. Returning to Monrovia from Harper, the plane flies into some wind at 320 miles per hour. How many total time? How many total hours in terms of time? How many total hours in terms of time did the plane stay in the air? I will read the question. A plane flies from Monrovia to Harper at a distance of 1,600 miles at 400 miles per hour. Returning to Monrovia from Harper, the plane flies into some wind at 320 miles per hour. How many total? Martin.
The plane took 12 hours in the air.
The plane took 12 hours in the air. See, Martin, you're wrong. Jimmy Jolocon. A plane flies from Monrovia to Harper, a distance of 1,600 miles at 400 miles per hour. Returning to Monrovia from Harper, the plane flies into some wind at 320 miles per hour. How many total hours in terms of time did the plane stay in the air or through the entire trip? 10 seconds.
J. Yeah, take 4.5 hours.
You're wrong. The answer is not. You're wrong. The answer is 9 hours. The answer is 9 hours. Going from Monrovia to Harper is 4 hours, and then the return trip is 5 hours.
Yeah.
9. 9. It's simple, very simple. What's your formula? What's your formula? Hold on, it's simple. Don't argue. D is equal to our T. That's your formula you use for both of them. What's your first one? 1,600 is equal to what? 400 times what? T. T will be equal to what? 4. Let's look at
this.
Wrong, my friend. Don't tell me about the problem. Don't tell me about the problem. So what problem? I gave you a formula. D is equal to RT. It's simple. Very simple. Question number 2. Question number 2. State the possible rational zeros. State the possible rational zeros for the function. The function is f of x is equal to 5x cubed minus 2x squared plus 20x minus 8. State the possible.
J.
J.
Who's five, brethren?
J.
Yes.
10 seconds. 1.
The possible rational zeros are plus or minus 1, comma, plus or minus 2, comma, plus or minus 4, comma, plus or minus 8, comma, plus or minus 8 over 5, comma, plus or minus 4 over 5, comma, plus or minus 2 over 5, comma, plus or minus 1 over 5.
Teach me.
I can't make you version for clarity.
Teach me.
Eh?
Brethren,
Proof.
brethren,
Yeah.
Proof.
You give a
Brethren.
rational function, right? And the rules, we just use the rational zero theorem. We state that to find the rational zeros of any function or any polynomial function given, it should be equal to the factor of the constant thing divided by the factor of the leading coefficient. And now you write a polynomial expression
Save your
equal
breath.
5.
Save your breath. Take 10.
Brethren.
Martin, what's the one?
what the first of boost?
See, Martin Jolocon was the first. Jolocon was
No,
the first.
brethren, if if I give you know what if I boost first before the man go say J, I say Marty before the man go say J, before the man say I got J.
I'll pay attention, but I heard Jimmy Jolocon first. I'll pay attention, but I heard Jimmy Jolocon first.
I boost first, brethren. I boost first. Seriously.
Let's move on. Let's move on. The question is number 3. Let's move on. The question is number 3. Find the equation of a tangent line. When the equation is y is equal to x cubed plus 4x minus 6 at the point 2 and 2, 10. I come again. Find the equation of the tangent. J. 10 seconds. 1.
Yes.
2.
The equation of the tangent line here is nothing else but 16x minus y is equals to 22. I come again. The equation of the tangent line will be nothing else but 16x minus y is equal to positive 22.
16x minus y is equal to positive 22. Proof.
Yeah.
Yes, brethren. The equation says y is equal to x to the third plus 4x minus 8 at the point 2, 10. To find the equation of the tangent line, the first thing I do is differentiate the function. Differentiating the function, you get 3x squared plus 4. Plugging x value there to find the slope of the tangent line. I'll have 3 times over 2 squared plus 4, which the slope will give me 16. Then if I use the general formula, which is y minus y1 is equal to m parentheses over s minus s1. Parentheses closes, I'll get an equation of the line in the standard form.
Save your breath. Take 10. Thomas Sabe, can you hear me now?
Sure.
Perfect. Please move on. Question number 4.
The score is 20 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 0 to Simati. 3 questions has been read. Without much time to waste, we move on to question number 4. Folks, if you are just joining us, we are in the first half, and the question is question number 4. Question 4, and I read for both schools. The sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 210. The sum of the first 20 terms of an arithmetic sequence is 210. If the first term is 1, find the common difference. If the first term is 1, find the common difference.
Martin.
What is the answer? You have 10 seconds. 1.
Yes. Brethren, let
3. 4.
Let the answer be
5.
nothing else but 1.
6. My answer should be nothing else but 1. O-N-E. 1, as in 1. Proof.
Yes. So, firstly, the formula for the sum of an arithmetic sequence is Sn, which is the sum of the number of 10 is equal to n over 2 bracket open 2a plus parenthesis open n minus 1 it closes and d bracket closes. So, and here is that the sum of the first 20 terms. So, in place of n, you put 20. So in the sum of the first 20 things given was 210. So 210 is equals to 20 over 2, which is equals to 10. Bracket open 2a, and a value is 1 plus parenthesis open, and which is 20 minus 1, which is 19 times d, and bracket closes.
Save your breath. Save your breath. 10 points. 10 points. The question is question number 5. And I read. Solve for x. X raised to the fourth power plus 4x squared plus 4 is equal to 0. Solve for x.
J.
X raised to the fourth power.
J.
J,
J.
Jimmy
J.
Jolocon. You have 10 seconds. 1,
One,
2,
two, three,
3,
J.
4,
S, yes, solving for
5,
S here. S will be equals to
6.
plus or minus R the square root of 2. I can make you my answer.
X,
S, S is equals to plus or minus the square root of R, or R the square root of 2. Plus or minus R the square root of 2.
the last time. What is your answer?
Yeah, I can make you my answer very. S is equals to consider this, consider R the square root of 2, or S is equals to negative R the square root of 2.
X is equal to plus or minus R the square root of 2. Teach me.
Yeah, Virgin. Give the expression, you say S to the 4th plus 4S squared plus 4. While they are factor A, this can be factor when factor it will be exact double itself. That is S squared plus 2 multiplied by S squared plus 2. You get a same factor square. So it's like I'm saying S squared plus 2 because all square, all should be equal to 0. So if I'm taking the square root of both sides, I'll have S squared plus 2. The square root of 0 is obviously 0. So I have S squared plus 2 is equal to 0. So I send it minus 2 plus. But taking the square root of a negative number, negative 1 will be factor R to an imaginary number which is called R. So since I having square is it indicates a quadratic term, choose me I will have two separate values as my answer. So I get plus or minus R the square root of 2.
10 points. And that was question number 5, folks. If you are just joining us, this is a wonderful match between Jimmy Jolocon from Montserrado County and St. Martin from Bong County. The question is question number 6. We are still in the first half. And I read for both schools. Find the vertex of the quadratic function. Find the vertex of the quadratic function. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. F of x is equal to 2x squared minus 4x plus 1. Find the vertex of the quadratic function.
Yeah.
J.
J, 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 J.
Yes. The vertex
1.
of the quadratic function is going to be nothing else but parentheses will be 1 comma minus 1 parentheses closes. Parentheses will be
Par-
1 comma negative 1 parentheses.
parenthesis open, 1 command minus 1 or 1 command negative 1 a close it. Teach me.
Yeah, Virgin, you gave the function to be f of s is equal to 2s squared minus 4s plus 1. So what I do, I complete the square. In complete the square, since I having 2 in front of the s squared, that is the leading quadratic term, I factor out that 2. So I have 2 by be s squared minus 4s. That s squared minus 4s, I can use completing the square method on it. If I complete the square on that side, I have s squared minus 1 equals to s squared. But I should add 1 to, I should subtract 1 from a. But since I having 2 before that expression, I multiply by 2. So I have 2 parentheses with s minus 1 equals to all square minus 1 or positive.
All right. There's a glitch there on the part of the studio in Montserrado County. So
1 square minus 1. For example, f of s is equal to s minus h equals to all square plus k. The If you have to compare that equation with the standard form, I'll have
Thomas Tapper?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. 13 points. And folks, we are saying the first half. That's the sixth question in the first half. The score is 40 points to Jimmy Jolocon and 10 points to Simati.
I'd like to move on to question number 7. So Jimmy Jolocon C. Martin, I want to clear this out. There is a qualm on the floor. The qualm was one of the questions where I think it was the second question where C. Martin argued that they were the first to boost.
Yeah, Benjamin.
Yeah, hold on, C. Martin. So given that Jimmy Jolocon, at the end of this game, based on the result of the game, we will have to go back to review that. If C. Martin was the first to boost, the question
if
would
you're
be
the first to
two
boost,
out.
you get a point.
Yes,
Yes.
we give them the point.
Yes.
You're the first to boost, you get them the point. If you are the first to boost,
Yes.
you
If
get
you're
the
the
point.
first to boost, you get a
Agree.
point.
And all of this is going to be based on the
Yes.
margin of the game. See, Martin, this is how we'll handle it. Okay?
Yeah, Benjamin. Yeah,
Be
Benjamin.
balanced and continue to focus on the game. This is a long game. Let's focus. Question is number 7. See, Martin. Say Martin or S.
Martin, yes.
Jimmy Jolocon. Say J.
J.
And the question is number 7. Pen to paper. A triangle is placed inside a square. A triangle is placed inside. Yeah, I'm rereading the question. A triangle is placed inside a square. One side of the square is 10. What is the area of the triangle? A triangle is placed inside a square. One side of the square is 10. What is the area of the triangle?
M.
Martin, Bong County, talk to me. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3.
Yes. The area of this triangle will be nothing else but 100. I come again. Will be nothing else but 100 the root of 2 centimeters square.
100 the root of 2 centimeters square. You're wrong. Jimmy Jolocon. A triangle is placed under a square. One side of the square is 10. What is the area of the triangle? Jimmy Jolocon, you got 20 seconds left on the time. 18 seconds left on the time. And counting down. Jimmy Jolocon, 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 4 seconds. Jimmy Jolocon, are you there? Time.
Jolocon is not there for time.
Yeah, Jolocon is not here, but time. Even if they went off, there's nothing we can do about it.
Oh, Jolocon is there. Still open. Right.
Jolocon, are you there?
Jolocon, we. They have to go off and come back.
Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen,
Yeah.
Jimmy Jolocon time. Jimmy Jolocon time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the first game of the round of 12. We have Jimmy Jolocon from Montserrado County versus St. Martin Catholic from Bong County. Round of 12. Question is number 8. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. X minus the long parenthesis opens 5 plus y all divided by 4 parenthesis closes all divided by 3 over x minus 2 over y is equal to 4xy. I come again. I reread the question. Simplify the complex fraction. Jimmy Jolocon, can you hear me? I will read the question. Simplify the complex fraction. Simplify the complex fraction. X minus parenthesis opens 5 plus y divided by 4 parenthesis closes, all divided by 3 over x minus 2 over y. I will read the question. Simplify the complex fraction. X minus parenthesis opens 5 plus y parenthesis 5 plus y divided by 4 parenthesis closes, all divided by 3 over x minus 2
Fais-le.
over y. I will read the question.
Fais-le.
Pay attention. I will read the question. X
Maintenant,
minus parenthesis open 5 plus y divided by 4 parenthesis closes, or divided by 3 over x minus 2 over y. Keep solving, keep solving, keep solving. You got 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Ten seconds. 9 seconds. 8 seconds. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. 5 seconds. 4 seconds. 3 seconds. 2 seconds.
Marty.
Martin, answer.
Yeah. Yeah. Let the answer be 4x minus y minus 5 all over 12y squared minus 3x.
Martin, hold on. Give me a second. Repeat the answer. Martin, repeat the answer.
Yeah. I said take let the answer be in the simplified form. In simplified form, you have 1 over 3.
Yeah.
1 over 3. Yeah.
You're wrong.
The answer is 4x minus 5 minus y over 12y squared minus 3x.
Repeat it what you just said. Repeat it.
4x minus 5 minus y over 12y squared minus 3x.
4x minus 5 minus y.
Yeah.
Or over what?
12y squared minus 3x.
12y squared minus
3x.
3x. Okay. Martin, you're wrong. Martin, you're wrong. Jimmy Jolocon, 10 seconds. 1. J.
Yeah. Take 4x squared y minus xy squared. akan make 4x square y minus xy square minus 5xy all divided by 12y minus 8x.
Jimmy Jolocon, repeat your answer. Repeat your answer.
4x square y minus
Wait, take your
xy
time. Take your
square.
time. Call it one. Take your time. Call it one at a time. 4 what?
4x square y
X square Y. Yeah.
minus xy square
Minus X Y
y
square.
square minus 5xy.
Minus 5. Yeah, go ahead.
Minus 5xy all
You're
divided
wrong.
by
I got it. You're wrong. The answer is Y parenthesis open X square minus Y minus 5 parenthesis closes all divided by 3Y minus 2X. And the setup was to find the LCD. The LCD was 4XY.
yeah.
Once you have the LCD, yeah, then you can move it around.
Yeah, I
And the
got it
answer.
LCD.
So when you get the LCD, you have 4X.
Yeah.
The next,
You multiply the
you get
4x.
hold on. You get 4x
Yeah,
squared y minus
yeah,
parenthesis opens 5 plus y, it closes,
yeah.
then 4y in another parenthesis, all divided by 12y minus 8x. You got that? Divided by
That's why
12y minus 8x. Then
yeah, I
you can
get a
multiply.
12 minus 8x.
Yeah, but
I
then
get a 12 minus 8x.
you're not supposed to miss the answer from there now. Everything for that manipulation. So you're wrong. The question number 9. Please pay attention. Question number 9. In a class of 20 students, 8 students average 86, 7 students average 74, and 5 students average 98. What is the weighted mean of the class? In a class of 20 students, 8 students average 86, 7 students average 74, and 5 students average 98. What is the weighted mean of the class? Thomas, you there?
Yeah, you're
Marty.
See, Martin. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, it is six. It is six.
86. They try to catch you. You wrong. Jimmy Jolocon, talk to me. 10 seconds. 1, 2,
J.
3, 4.
The greatest mean of the class is 688.
I say weighted mean, not greatest mean. Weighted mean. There's no greatest mean. I know where you're coming from.
Wow.
Martin, no greatest mean. Weighted mean. See, Martin, they try to catch you. It's the 4.8. Weighted mean. It's the 4.8. So your setup is 8 times 86 plus 7 times 74 plus 5 times 98 all divided by 20.
Yeah.
All divided by 20. The weighted mean. So what you did was you add everything and you divide it by 20, and you didn't consider the weight. Thomas Abe, over to your second half. Thomas, you're breaking a little bit. I can get you a little bit, but your network is not too perfect. But read. When we get you, we'll let you know.
Martin, are you hearing me?
Yes, I do.
Jolocon, are you hearing me?
Yeah, Bedouin.
The question is question number 1, second half. And I read. Find the coefficient of x to the 4th power in this expansion. Find the coefficient of x to the 4th power in this expansion. Parenthesis open, 2x plus 3 equals this to the 6th power. Parenthesis open, 2x plus 3 equals this raised to the 6th power. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 4th power. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 4th power in this expansion. Parenthesis open, 2x plus 3 equals 6 raised to the 6th power.
You say S is about 4.
The coefficient of x raised to the 4th power in the expression, parenthesis open, 2x plus 3 equals 6 raised to the 6th power.
Oh yeah.
J.
Mati.
J, you have 10 seconds. Jolocon. What is the answer? One.
The coefficient here is nothing else but 567.
567. Is that what you said?
567.
Jolocon. 567. Is that what you said?
Yes.
You are wrong.
Yeah.
You are wrong.
567.
567. Anything that starts with 5, you are wrong. Your question, Timothy. Find the coefficient of x raised to the 4th power in the expansion of parenthesis open, 2x plus 3 equals 6 raised to the 6th power.
The 8th power. Right?
Yes, the coefficient is. You multiply two.
What is your answer?
1070.
You are also wrong. The correct and precise answer is 2,160. 2,160.
We power equal. You said 8 power. Right?
6 power. 6 power. 6 power.
Yeah,
raised to the 6th power.
6 power.
It is 6 power.
The question is question number 2.
Yeah.
Part. Step 1.
Timothy, what's your question?
If you don't have one, proceed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the expression you get x to the power 6 plus 6x to the power 5 y, and that y now will be 3. And now you get 15 because we get 1, 6, 50, 20, 56, 1 in a 6 row. So you have 15 x to the power of 4, y to the power of 2. And that y now will be 3 in a expression that you gave.
Say that again.
The y in the problem will be the 3 because you said parenthesis will be 2x plus 3 all raised to the power of.
I didn't expand everything to go that long rule, so let me just give you the easy formula to get it done quick with expansion.
Yeah, but it is not long. I already on the 4 where you say 15 x to the power of 4 y to the power of 2, which is y squared. So now you get.
You got the question? X to the 4
you said find the coefficient of the term x to the power of 4. The coefficient of x to the power of 4.
No. X raised to the 4th power. X raised to the 4th power.
X raised to the 4th power. So now.
You see a mistake? X raised to the 4th power.
Yeah.
That proceed. The question is question. The question is question number 2, second half. And I read. Write the equation of the hyperbola. Write the equation of the hyperbola with focus at parenthesis open plus or minus 5 command 0 equals this, and the vertex at parenthesis open plus or minus 3 command 0 equals this.
Yeah. Fẹ́ẹ́ bí mi lè question wá yẹ you.
Write the equation of the hyperbola with focus at parenthesis open plus or minus 5 command 0 equals this, and the vertex at parenthesis open plus or minus 3 command 0 equals this.
J. Yes, I'll answer here for free. The equation of the hyperbola will be x squared over 16 minus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. I can't
You
make
are wrong.
you.
You are wrong. Your question.
Uh,
Your question, see Martin in a read. Whether equation of the hyperbola will focus at parenthesis open plus or minus 5, comma 0, and a vertex at parenthesis open plus or minus 3, comma 0.
Yeah.
maybe now variable
You have 10 seconds.
The
You
equation
have 10
is
seconds.
x, parenthesis will be x minus 5 closing square over 9 plus parenthesis will be x squared equals
You are wrong.
1.
Come again.
Parenthesis will be x minus 5 closing square over 9 plus
You are wrong. You are
parenthesis will
wrong.
be x squared.
You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. Don't proceed. So, Jimmy Jolocon, you saw